Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. I am back with another for spring / summer outfits video. You guys know I do a lot of like Pinterest, like recreating outfits, but I also do create my own outfits sometimes, you guys. I'm just kidding, I do often, okay? But I think it's fun to get inspiration from someplace. So nonetheless, I went through my closet and picked out some of the pieces that I'm most excited about wearing this season. Some are new this season, some are I've had for a while, but I just wanted to put together outfits. As always, I don't have a plan. I have base outfits picked out, but I don't have the final finishing styling touches. I don't exactly know how I'm gonna wear everything. So I'm gonna talk you through it all. I hope you guys enjoy this style. If you don't, let me know. If you want me to shut up, like some of the comments I've received, girl, I'm not probably the person for you, but yeah, if you like lookbook styles, they're probably easier than this, but yeah, I like these. I think they're old-fashioned. They're kind of like, not old-fashioned, but they're like old school YouTube days. So anyway, I have 4 outfits that I'm excited to share with you. So I'm going to share with you again how I style them, how I put them together for a very effortless, casual look. You guys know I'm very casual, but I like to look effortlessly styled. So let's go ahead and jump into look number 1. So we're busting out overalls. I'm an overalls girl. I get a lot of comments about overalls, so clearly y'all are overalls girls as well. So I have these ones from Abercrombie that we're gonna throw on. Ow, I just hit myself in the face with this hanger. And we're gonna style these guys up. I don't know exactly what look I'm going for. So, but I feel like nothing says effortlessly cool or preschool toddler like a pair of overalls. So let's do it. My handy dandy bra clip, because I'm gonna wear a racerback tank. I've had these same bra clips since I was in college. I don't have as many as the pack that they sell on Amazon because I've lost a lot of them. But a fun fact, I owned these for like well over a year, and I realized that I sold the tag on them the whole time. I do that far too many times, but I specifically remember these because these, I was like somewhere out and about, probably like at lunch or something, I don't remember, grocery shopping, and the tag poked me in my booty, and I was like, what? Ma'am? What was that? Anyway, buttoned up my sides. I'm thinking we're gonna go kind of like cool girl with these. I don't know, we're gonna see. I think I'm gonna do one strapper. I love a one strapper. I don't know what it is. These just remind me, these shrunk so much. Like, not just like my waist, okay? And I'll be like, eh, that's just because you grew. Like they shrank the length too. I didn't grow taller, I'm old. I don't think that happens anymore. So we're just gonna do a oneie. And these are at like a crop store length. These are Abercrombie, old. I'm gonna throw on, I think, my Converse. Because honestly, whenever I put these on, it makes me want to go to Lowe's / Home Depot, because I wore these to Lowe's Home Depot to pick out my spring flowers. But we move at the end of June, so I'm kind of like, girl, do you need a plant spring flowers for 2 months? But I love it. It's my favorite thing to water the flowers every night, because it reminds me of my mom. We would always water our flowers in the evening. I don't know. Brings back sweet memories. In Dallas, nothing grows, so can't plant flowers there. So I was living my garden girl dreams there. Anyway, I think, yeah, we're gonna go with this. I was gonna either go with these or New Balance. Let me see. It's gonna give a completely different look. Oh, actually, I like the New Balance. It's like, I think these are kind of giving because of the gray tank. I love it. Should I pair a hat with it? I think I should pair a hat. You know what I would really do? Pigtails. Fully embracing the toddler. This is truly, honestly, how I would wear it. I know it's kind of like toddlerish, but I like it. I would also, what do you think of this hat? Man down. Thank God you can't see what's going on the floor down there, because it's bad. As I throw another thing down there. Oh, that's kind of cute too. Cute! I like it. What do we think? It also look really cute with some red sneakers to match the red hat, but I think this is kind of good. So, this is look number 1. Very basic, very simple, but kind of cute with the hat and the sneakers. I like the sneakers with these a lot more than I thought I would. So look number 1, let's move on to look number 2. Okay, so for look number 2, we're going linen on linen. I'm gonna do like a linen striped pair of pants and a linen button up. There's a lot of button ups in this video, so buckle up or button up, you know? Okay, so a little linen drawstring moment. And you see how like this with this tank is very like giving, I could go to bed right now. That's why I fully believe if you're gonna wear like pajama-esque shorts, pants, whatever, you need to have a more structured top. So let's put on our linen button up. I think these are kind of like a gray-ish stripe. So yeah, not that that really matters. But I'm trying to think, what shoe I want to wear with these. I'm gonna go full cuff, like up above the elbow, just for a different look. It's truly the small details that make the biggest difference in the outfit. Now I could go one of two ways. I could go with a very sleek sandal, or I could go with a fun chunky, or not fun chunky, a fun colorful shoe. I think I'm gonna go with the sleek sandal though. I think we're gonna go pull out like a beach vibey, resort stylish sort of look. And also, if you kind of want your shirt to stay open like this, just take the little tails and tuck them into your pocket. It's not gonna stay like forever, but it like stays a decent amount. Like I'm walking around, oh, that one fell out. Sometimes it falls out, sometimes it doesn't. I think let's add a fun scarf, because I feel like this outfit is kind of plain Jane. And add scarves so many different ways. You can kind of, you can tie it around your neck, you can tie it in the hair, which is probably what I'm gonna do, and you can also tie it around a bag if you have a specific bag that you wanna wear it with. I feel like it adds a lot of just, I don't know, interest to the outfit. So let's pull on a pair of swimmies. It's so fun, Sunny. Again, to just bring a little bit more interest to the outfit. I've been loving these blue ones. Kind of ties in with the colorful headscarf. So yeah, I would probably throw it on with a bag. Cute! I love this. Very comfy, very casual. I think at the bottom you either have to do something that's like fully interesting, that brings like a dimension to the outfit, or something slim because the pants are kind of like oversized and big and baggy. And if you added like a chunky bottom, it would be too much. But again, the scarf is just a fun way to add color into an outfit that's kind of basic. You obviously don't have to, but I think it turned out cute. So look number 2. Let's move on to look number 3. You guys, look number 3, we're going Canadian tuxedo. I've never done this willingly. This sounds so ridiculous. I've never done this willingly, but I think it could be cute. So let's swap this white button up for a denim button up. The shirt would have also looked really cute with these linen pants as well. But I'm gonna swap it out for a pair of denim jeans, my Levi 501s. I kind of did my best to match the denim, but we'll see-ish how it works. I always feel like the denim tuxedo looks so like chic on some people, but I just don't know if I can pull it off. I came home from Trader Joe's. First of all, I bought things at Trader Joe's that I didn't need. Duh, doesn't everyone do that? But typically I really haven't been doing that. But I haven't had the like Taki dupes or whatever from there since I was living in California, honestly. And I saw them today and I was like, I don't think they're like a seasonal thing. I think they're just, they were up front and center in my store, and I was like, must have those. And then I demolished half the bag on my way home because I was hungry. Anyway, I think this is coming together, and it's honestly cute. Let's unbutton a button. Show a little skin. Keep it tucked. Should I do a fuller tuck? I think I like the one more tuck because it shows the like different coloring on the arm. We're gonna put a belt on to separate it. These blues are not exact, but I think that's the beauty of it. I don't think you want an exact denim unless it's a denim set. I love this belt from Sazon. Now, would you wear cowboy boots? No, I wouldn't. So I think I'm honestly gonna do my flats. Oh yeah, these. My little, sorry, can you see? My little Uspies. Oh, this was cute for it. It's giving rodeo. Okay, I think this is an updated kind of chic denim tuxedo. I actually love this. These jeans are phenomenal. The best things in the world. I did bring a little white sweater. I don't know if it was for this sweater or this outfit or the next outfit I had anticipated wearing it with. But I feel like it could go really cute. Oh yeah, it could go really cute with this. You know I love a sweater over the shoulder moment, so we're not acknowledging, we're just accepting, because that's just what I do. Okay, this is adorable. I honestly really like this a lot. Way more than I thought I would. If you guys had watched my Pinterest videos, I had tried to recreate a denim tuxedo look, but I had like layered over it. It looked terrible, but I honestly think this is cute. I think this works. I love everything about this. With the espadrilles, adds a little girly look to it. Cute. These jeans look good with everything. Not everything except for sneakers, actually. Okay, let's move on to the final look. Look number 4. Honestly, this look was the look that kind of inspired this, because when I saw these two pieces, I was like putting this in my wardrobe after I bought it, and I saw it against those shorts, and I was like, that could actually be cute. I want to try that. So let's pop on another button up. It's blue, but it's not denim, and some like trouser denim or trouser blue shorts. These blue trouser shorts are just like the cutest. I think they go with like everything, and I just really like them. I have no idea what shoe we're gonna do. Is that the story of my life? I feel like I love this blue shirt. I've been pretty in love with it since I got it. It does come with a little bralette thing, and I filmed a recent Zara haul. I'll have it thrown up in the cards. I like it. I don't love the fact that it's white on the inside, but I get over it. I feel like I do need to do a full tuck with this, so we're just gonna button the top or middle 2 buttons, and then do a full tuck around. Maybe at least in the front, just because this shirt is huge. I kind of let it poof out. I kind of like when shirts poof a little. And they do the poof poof. What shoes do I want to wear? Could go sneakers with this. I'm honestly thinking let's do Cool Girl and pull on our New Balance. You could obviously go with a flat with this and it would look very chic, like the same little espadrilles that I had on and black sunglasses, so chic and stylish. But I think I'm gonna go Cool Girl. Cool Girl, you know? I like to be cool when I can be cool. So, some socks. And I feel like I should preface this by saying like, Cool Girl is the option that I wouldn't typically go for, but because I've seen it so much on Pinterest, I'm like, I would love an outfit that looks like that. So just do the Cool Girl less you outfit and see how it comes together, because I bet you'll love it. That's what I mean. Sometimes that's what the beauty of those sort of videos are, is it shows you stuff that you like that you don't normally, isn't your first choice normally. But that doesn't mean you don't like that style. So like pairing a very unexpected sneaker with a very finished look kind of gives the look of like she didn't have extra shoes in her car after she like went to work and she has blisters on her feet. You know what I mean? And this is originally why I brought the white sweater, because I was gonna go hit myself in the head with it. I'm gonna go over the shoulder with it. I think this gives very like cute. Very cute, very thrown together, but fun. Again, if the sneakers aren't yours, simply throw it on with a flat. I'll just show you what that would look like, because it probably is cute. So what I was thinking for like the flats is I would throw off the brown sunnies, throw on some black sunnies. This is just gonna give a completely different vibe. I like both. You might like one more than the other. SBs. Black with black. A little bit more of a basic, classic look. But I like that. Alright guys, so that's gonna wrap up my 4 outfits that I can't wait to wear / are already currently wearing for this spring, summer. I like kind of talking through the outfits, kind of show you the finalized details and show you that it truly is a process in trial and error to figure out the perfect outfit for you and the perfect style of what you're going for. So if you like these talk through videos, let me know in the comments down below, as well as what your favorite outfit was, and I will see you in my next one very, very soon. Bye!